Got this there.
So the truck hasn't been started in a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, month, probably a month.
Probably a month.
So we're gonna start it.
Start it.
Or they're a helpful friend.
Alright. You ready? Oh, look at that. Look at that goodness.
There, see in there. So, for some of you that don't know, axle shaft goes in there in the splines. Axle shaft goes in there in the splines. For most of the GM guys, they'll probably already know what this is, but it's a G80 locker. It's LSD, limited slip differential. So it'll take it and make it so we have essentially two wheels driving in the back instead of just one when we need it. But that's a long ways down the road, kids. Our next problem we're gonna do is brake lines. All the brakes are getting replaced.
Hey, would you look at that? Not leaking. Not leaking. Yeah, we still get primer and everything, so then, but we're gonna continue sanding down the truck and everything.
Did you hear something?
Thought I heard something.
I heard something too.
Man in Blue come back?
I don't know. Hold it! Hold it, get there!
Man in Blue!
Get him!
Man in Blue! Get over here! Where'd he go? He did that stupid vanish thing again.
I found gold, you just ran out the Man in Blue. Find him?
He did one of his vanishing things again.
He's probably going back for Hux again.
Dang kids.
Him in stage 5 tune.
Man in Blue needs to calm down on these tunes. We need to catch up. So we got the new fuel sending unit in. The nice new gas tank.
No, that's just the hanger.
Oh, sorry. It's
the hanger.
it's still the sending unit though.
True.
That's the
You
sending.
guys should check out these shock stuff.
Look at these shocks.
Mint. That ball right there, is mint.
Mint.
That tire is
Brand new,
new design. Look at this. See that? That's a tire right there.
That's a tire. That's not a tire. That's a tire.
Oh yeah, front shocks.
Look at that air ride though. Hydraulics, baby. Hydraulics. With that, kids, this is the Iowa Gearheads.
And Grandpa's signing off. Say goodbye.
And say goodbyes. Hey, get over here. We can put car cover on a little bit. Get over here.
Grandpa's
We gotta
saying
say
goodbye.
Oh.
He's saying bye. He's going back to bed.
With that, kids, Grandpa's saying goodbye. He's going to bed. The old cranky guy. Have a good day.
Remember to like the video.
Comment anything you want to see.
And subscribe!
Adios.